one of the individuals responsible for the proliferation of Russian flags in Kano, northwest Nigeria, has been apprehended. According to Daily Trust, thousands of Nigerians participating in the #End Bad Governance protests are displaying foreign flags in various parts of the country. The trend, which began in a few locations last week, saw a significant increase in flag-waving participants by Monday. This development follows President Bola Tinubu's warning to protesters about being used to advance an unconstitutional agenda. He stated, "Let us work together to build a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. Let us choose hope over fear, unity over division, and progress over stagnation. The economy is recovering. Please, don't stifle its growth." After enjoying democratic governance for 25 years, do not let the enemies of democracy use you to promote an unconstitutional agenda that will hinder our democratic progress. Forward ever, backward never. On Monday, police in Kano arrested a tailor named Ahmed and several youths involved in the protests. Ahmed was found in possession of multiple Russian flags at the time of his arrest and